Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Remove the AirTag from any keyring, wipe it so the back isn't slippery, and hold it with the stainless steel plate facing you. Press down firmly on the stainless steel back and twist counterclockwise until it stops. This releases the cover. Once the cover is loose, lift it straight off and set it aside. Make sure not to touch the circuit board. Just expose the battery and get ready to remove the old CR2032. With the cover removed, push the battery slightly from under the edge to unseat it and tip it out. Don't poke the circuit. Inspect the contact spring and contacts for corrosion. Clean with a dry cotton swab if needed. Insert the new CR2032 with the plus side facing up, pressing gently until it clicks into place. Once the cell is seated, ensure the spring has tension and the battery sits flat. A loose cell can cause. To finish, align the 3 tabs on the cover with the slots on the AirTag, press the cover down, then twist clockwise until it locks with a click. Once assembled, hold the AirTag near your iPhone and open Find My. You should see a battery status update and be able to play a sound to confirm operation. If it doesn't respond, reopen and reseat the battery, check orientation, and clean contacts. These fixes solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.